Hey guys, I'm back with another makeup video for the Iconic palette. This is part 2 where I feature the darker shades. I feature Game Changer, Star Power, and Immortal, and then just use Legend, Influencer, and Mogul to just kind of blend it all in for the complete look. And I did use the blush and bronzer in this kit, and then the Epic lip cream, which feels so good on the lips. So I hope you enjoy, check it out, and let me know your thoughts. Feel free to comment below. Okay, so I'm going to get started with my custom CC cream, and I made this with a couple of special additives that will help with the barrier of my skin, help repair that, and eventually diminish the redness. And I don't know if you've watched any of my previous videos, but I'm already much less red, so I'm very excited. And again, I'm using my Sappho brush that I picked up at a green beauty store. So this blends everything in. There we go. So it's just a nice, very light coverage, and I can use it either as a day wear product, or I like to use it as a primer and add a little bit more. So today I'm just gonna add a smidge from my light color quad, and I'm going with the second lightest just to add a little bit around the center of my face. And just a little bit on my red chin. All right. I'm going to take, so that was actually the third darkest. I don't know how to explain that. And I'm going to take the second lightest and just put a little bit between my two fingers here. And I'm just gonna very gently go in my inner eye here. Ooh, and this stuff is so pigmented. It's a cream foundation, but it can totally be used as a concealer. And then I actually want to take this blend and set brush from the Sonia Rosselli set and just kind of blend this area in. Perfect. Okay, so now for my eye base, scoop a little bit out here, and I'm just going to use my fingers. Now I'm also going to do my eyebrows right away, as they are very sparse. So I'm using the eyebrow trio with the angled brush from Sonia Rosselli. Brilliant. Now I'm going to use my kohl pencil. I have my eye base on, so I'm now going to add some definition to my eyeline. It's a little bit messy, but that's okay. I am now going to go to my Iconic palette, and I'm going to take, I wanted to use more of the blues today, so I'm gonna start with Legend and kind of find my crease. And I'm going to take Game Changer and pat, how am I gonna do this? I think I'm gonna make Game Changer the center of my eye, and we'll do a little bit of a halo shape. I'm going to go back with my Morph brush, and I'm going to start with Legend, just on this inner eye. And then I'm going to switch to, I'm gonna start with Influencer on this outer. And I started there because this is a big fluffy brush, but now I'm going to go in with the Motives crease brush, and I'm going to go in with Powerhouse and do the outer eye. And I love the intensity of this dark Powerhouse. And then I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm just gonna do a little bit on the inner eye to get that halo effect. I'm gonna smooth that out with my bigger fluffy brush. Wow. I love. So I'm going to take, I really like this small smoky detail from Sonia Rosselli's brushes. And I'm going to take, what am I gonna take? I'm gonna take Immortal and I'm gonna do my bottom line. And just a smidge on top. Okay, and then to soften the look, I'm gonna go back with my big fluffy brush and with Legend from this palette, which is our light brown, and very gently come underneath. So I do want to intensify the dark up top a little bit, just to balance out. So I've added a bit more. I'm going back with my, cleaning this, just to smooth out that eye crease. So there is very minimal fallout, which I love. And that's a combination of the quality of the brushes I'm using and of course the quality of the eyeshadows. So I'm going to take my eyeshader, the light one from Sonia's kit with Mogul, and just kind of go under my eyebrows. And then just a smidgen in my inner eye. So I'm still seeing something a little bit offside about my lower eye line. I don't think I brought it all the way over. So I'm gonna go in with Game Changer, which is the light blue shade, and just pull it forward. So now I'm going to take my heated eyelash curler, the new Eye Curl 2. I tell this story every time, but I got it at IMATS. It's a heated lash curler. It's the best I've ever used. And it gently curls my lashes. Now for my fiber lash. All right, so my eye look is done. I do just have to fix a small smidge in my inner eye. So that's done for my eyes. Now I'm just gonna finish off my face, and I'm using my custom blended mineral powder, and with my Motives powder brush, I'm going to just gently buff this into my skin. And next, opening up the other side of my palette, I've got my bronzer and my blush. So I'm going to switch brushes, and I'm using this Morph angled. I'm gonna use it for both. So I'm going to start with my bronzer called Unbreakable and do a very gentle 3. And then go over to my Untouchable and do the apples of my cheeks. Voila. And I think for this look, I will go with Epic. And my No More Shine setting spray. So the No More Shine setting spray is private labeled from Scandinavia, which is awesome. And it holds your makeup for 16 hours, a weightless mist that holds foundation, eyeshadow, blush, concealer. It's oil-free, paraben-free, and absolutely luscious for the face. Bring back my bangs. And there you go. So this is my makeup look for the Iconic palette using the darker shades, the bluer shades. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time.